VCU approaching is a parametric design that acts as a ceiling that reacts on proximity. As the user gets closer to the reception table, the more it changes to read VCU. It started out with a region that I wanted the triangular grid to lay on. I made the grid a large enough size that it covered the whole area and used a trim region component to only have the grid within the region. I then selected only the geometries that lay within the area and placed them in a geometry component. This is the curve that determines the extrusion heights. I used a list item component to highlight one of the points on the divided curve. I also have a component just for the VCU part of the grid. The extrusion value is based on the distance between the selected point on curve and the center of each individual triangle. I have created an equation in the form of components that makes the VCU part only extrude when the 85th point on curve and above are selected. As this concludes the short surface explanation to my definition, here are a few shots of how the space reacts to a person walking through it. Here you can see how a person walking, represented by a scale figure, walks through the space, and how the proximity in relation to the reception table determines how far the triangles extrude and if the VCU part shows. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.